Hey yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to our channel Want to Stay. Let me teach you today how to log in on your Plenty of Fish dating app account. So first of all, open your web browser and type in www.pof.com and it will take you to the official web page of your Plenty of Fish. Now as you can see here, you can either log in by clicking on this login that is saying already member login, or click on this sign in. Now I'm going to click on login, and as you can see it will take me to this login web page. Now put in your existing account for your Plenty of Fish dating app and put in your password, and after you have done that, click on login. If you want to save your password on this Chrome or your web browser, then you can, and that's how you successfully log in on your existing Plenty of Fish dating app. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Hit the bell icon button to get updates on our new videos and drop a comment for reviews and more contents like this, and I'll see you guys later.